All right, this concludes the section of the course of taking the application into production. I hope you learned a lot in this section. I definitely had fun setting it up and going through it because I do not only wear a software developer hat, but I do also enjoy the DevOps space. And I know we covered a lot of stuff in here. In this course, I couldn't go into the depth that I would like, of course. I do have an entire course on DevOps with AWS. A lot more content than, I think this is probably about 90 minutes content in this section. I haven't gone up and added everything up. But the other course, I think it's close to 7 or 8 hours of content, if I remember right. A lot more content where I'm able to go into a lot more in depth. So if it's an interest area of you, I highly recommend checking out that other course. But if not, I hope you got a lot of value out of this section of the course because DevOps is a pretty big field. It's an area that you can just specialize in. And I think if you have skills as both and across these different realms, you are going to be a lot more valuable to employers.